I ordered this sliding door here for our tub shower off of Amazon, and it's 2 glass doors. It comes in this really heavy box here. I'm gonna open it up, make sure nothing is broken, and we're gonna get this thing installed to see how well it looks. So I've got some of the parts out of the box. I mainly wanted to make sure that the glass was not broken and that nothing in here was bent. But it does look like they packaged this thing really well. It has plastic and styrofoam and tape just all over everything to hold it in place and to keep it from getting broken. From what I can see, nothing is broken. So we're going to get this thing ready to be installed. It has been 24 hours. I had to seal the inside with clear caulking, and I put some caulking on the bottom corners down here to make sure that nothing will leak out where the two pieces come together. I did not caulk the outside. I didn't want to make the outside look all, caulking. I just didn't like that look. So I only did caulking on the inside. But yeah, it looks great. Nice clear glass. Way better than a shower curtain, and looks pretty professional. Like I said, we got this thing off of Amazon, and on Amazon it was less than half the price of the big box stores that were selling really the same exact things. It's got these 2 towel racks here. You don't really have to worry about them too much. I was a little worried that they were going to stick out pretty far, but they really don't bother you. So plus you can determine which side you want it on. Like if you wanted this in the front, then you could just pull this in the back like that. But really it didn't bother me either way. I do like how when the glass slides into these little rubber pieces here that they kind of hold it in place. They're not like plastic where they don't grab and your door could like slowly open. These things hold the door in place. So I like that too. It's got nice overlap here, so I don't have to worry about water coming out. Just worked out really well. So yeah, I really like it. I think you will too. Hope this information was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Y'all take care.